So you've clicked this video, so you want to know how to extend your visa in the Philippines. Well, today we're going to show you. It's very simple. I'm in Siquijor currently, and I need to just go get a quick boat to Dumaguete, and then jump into the passport office. So I'm going to take you on this journey, and then we're going to have a walk around some of the streets of Dumaguete and see if we can meet some interesting people as well. So let's get this drive to the port, and let's get on with the day. So the drive to the port is about 40 minutes, 35 minutes from where I am now. Unfortunately, doing a busy run, you need to have a day to keep to yourself because it is a long process. Sometimes it is a little bit quicker, but here in Siquijor, you have to do a 30-minute drive to the port, 45-minute boat, and then normally it takes about 3-4 hours to process your visa. So you need to kind of have a full day. But yeah, let's jump over there now and get on the boat. We have now arrived at the port of Siquijor. It looks absolutely mental busy, which is not going to be good. So hopefully I can get the next boat. Normally the best thing to do is go right early in the morning, 7 AM, but last night was fiesta, as you saw in the last video, and the Red Horse made me wake up a little bit later. So it's currently about 10:30, and we're trying to get the 11 or 11:30 boat, so we'll see what happens. These boats sell out really well. Once it's first come first serve, so once you get a ticket, that's it, the boat's sold. You can't buy them online or anything. We are back at the port. It is 4:51 in the morning. This is the only boat that is available. They're all sold out all day, every day. Even at 5 AM it's absolutely rammed. But my boat's in 5 minutes, so I need to hurry up because otherwise I'm going to miss this, and we're going to miss it for the whole day. So let's run. So yeah, as yesterday we went to the port and all the boats were full till 6 PM and I was there at 7 AM. I was there at like 10 or 9 AM. So I checked online and it's the same everywhere. The only ones that you can get tickets for at the moment is the 5 AM boats. So it's going to be a long day. We're going to do our visa extension as normal, like we said we're going to do. And we're also going to do some street food. We're going to go see some cool places in Dumaguete as well and have a proper walk around there, because last time I didn't really have a proper walk. But first we've got to get on this boat, and the place is fucking busy, so I don't know if this is going to happen. Our boat leaves in 3 minutes, and this is the queue just to get a seat. Okay, ticket has been acquired. It is now 5:15. The boat was supposed to leave at 5. However, we are in the Philippines and we do run on Filipino time. Salamat. The only issue we have is that our ticket is an open air ticket, which means we are upstairs and we have no cover. It's not inside, so if it rains, which it is prone to rain all the time here at the moment, we're gonna get fucking soaking wet. But at least we're making the journey. just like that, we have arrived in Dumaguete. Time is 6 a.m. I have 2 hours to wait before the immigration office opens. So I've got to piss around for 2 hours, but we're going to go to the public market, get some breakfast. But so I've just made it to the public market where we can get some food at 6 o'clock in the morning, but it has started raining, so today's going to be a fun day. I haven't got a waterproof jacket, I haven't got anything, and I've got lots of electrics with me, so it's going to be horrible. I might have to buy a poncho. So this place is famous for some sticky rice, so I'm going to go try it. It's the one thing to eat here. Hello. I want some, is it sticky rice, right? Yes. Can I get with peanut butter and condensed milk? And a coffee?
Coffee.
Yeah.
Native coffee?
Sorry?
Native coffee or plain milk?
Just plain with milk, latte. Latte,
okay.
Yeah? Thank you. So it's essentially just rice with peanut butter and condensed milk. But apparently it's a speciality. And a very nice treat. Morning treat. Yeah, it's amazing. Thank you. It's nothing like sitting in a little cafe with a load of people surrounded by cockroaches. That's when you know you're in real Asia. I'm just going to finish this and then we'll go look for someone else. So that was a very quick little breakfast snack. Coffee and the sticky rice with peanut butter cost me 50 peso, which was about 60 pence. We are in the middle of a huge market. You've got all the meats over there, loads of breakfast stalls here. People are eating all sorts of different things for breakfast. I saw noodles, rice, bloody big bits of meat. It's not I guess just order what you want. There's no timings, right? I'll tell you what, I'm glad that this place is open so early, because I would have absolutely nothing to do for the next 2 hours, and it is raining quite heavily. So yeah, it's a good job these little cafes, this market exists, and it's busy as well. So it's thriving at this time. So I'm glad. Otherwise, I don't know what I'll be doing today. Alright guys, it is raining pretty heavy now, but I've got myself a lovely manly umbrella. We're just going to head to the immigration office now because there's not a lot to do in the rain and it is very early, so we're just going to go straight there and wait because it's undercover. So when you want to come and extend your visa, you need to come to, well, I'm in Dumaguete City. You need to come to this place. It's the Bureau of Immigration. It's just near, it's like 5 minutes from the port. Once you're here, you just go in. It opens at 8 o'clock. You go in, you fill out a form, tell them why you're extending for tourism reasons for me, and then we will hopefully be quickly. But if it's busy, if you don't come before 8, it's normally really busy and it normally takes all day. So the aim is to get here as early as 7:30 to be the first person, which means you'll get your passport back before lunchtime and then you can carry on your day. Otherwise, the longest it's been for me is I handed it in at 9 a.m. and I got it back at 5 p.m. And yeah, it was a long ass day. Because Dumaguete is a cool city, but there's not a lot to do here unless you leave and go to like outside bits. So yeah, we're going to go in because it's raining at the moment. There's not a lot to do, so we're just going to go and chill in there until we're ready to go. Definitely looks like the dodgiest alley you'll ever walk through, guys, but you know, it is what it is. Hello, morning, morning. Here is the office. So yeah, we're just going to chill here for an hour and stay out the rain, maybe have a nap, and then we're good to go. See when we're ready to go. Right guys, so when you arrive at this immigration bureau, you're going to get given a form to fill out. Basically just going to say all your name, why you want to extend, a little bit about yourself and your last visa extension. And then it's going to get handed in, then they're going to call my name, we're going to go inside, we're going to chat to them, we're going to pay, and then we're going to get told when to come back. Hopefully, because I'm the first one, it'll be very quickly, and we can get out of here and off this, back to Siquijor as soon as possible. But we'll see what happens. So let me just fill this in and we'll jump to it. Alright, so that's my application handed in. I just need to wait now. But just to prove a point of how early you need to get there, I was first in line there from 7 AM. It opens at 8 and I still can't come back till 1 PM to collect. So yeah, make sure you get here early, otherwise you're going to be here for the whole day. If you're here for a tourist visa, if you're here for a work permit, or anything, that's the place you need to go to. So you can do all your visas out there. So. But they are nice, they are quick as possible, so we'll see what happens. Okay guys, so the sun is back out, the rain has stopped. I've been hiding in a shopping centre for 2 hours while the rain calmed down, but the sun is back out. I need to go do some work now. I've got a couple of calls, so I'm just going to head to a bar slash restaurant slash whatever, I don't know, we'll find something as long as it's got some Wi-Fi, and then yeah, we're gonna head there, do some work quickly, have a call, and then we're gonna go and have a walk around and see what's going on the streets of Dumaguete. Okay, so the time is about 12 o'clock. We've got roughly 1 hour before we go pick up my passport. So we're going to go have a walk around here and see what's going on. Apparently there's like a Chinese-inspired church down here with some like cool stuff. I'm not really a church kind of person, but I do like Chinese kind of things. But yeah, we've been good. One thing I've noticed in Dumaguete, there's loads of beggars. Like more, like loads. Like I'm not seeing them anywhere else. Definitely not in Siquijor, but there seems to be loads here. But yeah, we're just gonna have a walk around the boulevard, see what's happening, and then we'll go collect the passports. So we're just walking down the harbour now. Beautiful day. The rain has stopped. The clouds are out. You can see island of Siquijor over there, and the island of Cebu, and yeah, rainy season is slowly upon us. However, we still get amazing weather. So we're just coming up to the Chinese church now. It's in a bit of a downgraded area from where the rest of Dumaguete. You can see it's getting a little bit poorer now. But the river's looking nice. I can see the church now, it's just over here, so we'll try and find how we get to it. So you can see the Chinese church over there, but I'm not quite sure how you get to it. But doesn't look like there's anything going on here, so we're going to go walk into this town. There's some little steps going into an alleyway here, so let's go walk down there and see what it's like. It's crazy to see how like quickly things change and how people live, right? Like it's in Dumaguete just there's lots of apartment blocks. And hello, good evening. There's lots of apartment blocks and lots of things going on. And then literally just 5 minutes down the road, it just completely changes. So these houses just keep going on and on down the river. Loads of little bits. One of the good things about the Philippines is it doesn't matter how much money people have, they'll make sure they are very clean, they're hygienic. They're always doing their washing. Everything is great. Hello.
Hello.
How are you, sir? What are we doing? Chilling? Nice. Are you fishing? You fishing? What have you caught? Nothing? What are we catching? Show me, show me. Let's see some fishing.
Oh, no money.
Huh? No money, no money.
No money. Stop that now.
That wasn't very good.
Yeah.
There we go.
I just use something on.
What are you going to catch?
Oh, catch.
You catch fish?
Oh,
I can't see any fish.
before we got big fish before, right?
Ah, big fish before.
Yes. Ngayon sa kurta.
Huh?
Ngayon sa kani.
See you later, bro. So keep going up on this river. Hello. And then we're going to go back up onto this bridge and we're going to walk back and hopefully the passport is ready to go. And I can get back to my island of Siquijor and not have to wait any longer. But we shall see. Okay, fingers crossed that passport is ready to go. And just like that, passport has been acquired. So relatively easy. You just need to go in, hand your passport, fill a form in, go pay, wander around the streets aimlessly for a couple of hours, go back and you're good to go. You can get a 2 month or 1 month work visa, work permits, you can get your tourists, everything there. So yeah, and I'm going to jump now and try and get back to Siquijor, although it's a bit of a problem with the boats, but wish me luck. See you on the next vlog. Peace.